I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bean quesadilla. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need tortillas, a can of your preferred beans, some shredded cheese, and any optional toppings you enjoy. Black beans or pinto beans work wonderfully. For cheese, Monterey Jack or cheddar are excellent choices for their melting qualities. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the bean filling. Start by draining and rinsing your canned beans well. Then, mash them with a fork or potato masher until they reach your desired consistency. Next, season your mashed beans generously with spices such as cumin, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. For an extra flavor boost, you might want to sauté some diced onions or bell peppers and mix them in. It's time to assemble your quesadilla. Take a tortilla and spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned bean mixture onto one half. Don't overfill it. Then, generously sprinkle your favorite shredded cheese over the bean layer. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling. Place it into a lightly oiled pan over medium heat, ready for cooking until golden brown. Continue cooking your quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until both sides are golden brown and the cheese inside is perfectly melted and gooey. Once cooked, carefully remove it from the pan. Slice your delicious bean quesadilla into easy-to-handle wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or guacamole. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.